Working with videos can be frustrating. Luckily, UniConverter makes things simpler. With over 1,000 conversion formats, it can just about convert anything.
Anything?
Yeah, anything.
So it can convert my video to any format.
Absolutely, to any format.
Neat. Action.
Does it convert photos too?
Yep, it works with anything.
Wow.
What about my audio?
Yeah, that works too.
Awesome!
So can it really convert anything?
Anything.
What about my husband?
Okay. There you go.
So, what else can it do?
Well, it can make smaller files. And it has a built-in screen recorder, so next time you're gaming, you can have an audience. So yeah, it can convert anything.
Wow.
UniConverter, your all-in-one video toolbox.
Beautiful. I'm in charge now, the CEO. What's your secret? We're going to fill the pie chart. 100% total baby love.
Did Baby Love just go down?
Who's doing this? There are enemies everywhere, so get out there and do whatever it takes to achieve 100% baby love.
Awesome!
Walk the puppy! Walk the puppy! Burn it.
Okay.
Working with videos can be frustrating. Luckily, UniConverter makes things simpler.
Hello. Mr. Dennis. Yes, this is Chief Clement, the chemical dealer. Yes. About the chemical you have, hyaline oxide. Yes. Do you have up to 4 40-feet container? Oh, only 2? Okay. How much will you give me the entire load? 40 million naira. Okay, I will take the whole thing. Huh? Yes. You can come now. Huh? All right. Bye-bye. Wow. Man, this is good business.
Doing it for the money. I'm doing it for the money.